This is less than 2 weeks growth. I didn't know it would grow so fast in my windowsill. So that is an organic garlic clove or whatever. And I'm going to plant it, and hopefully it lasts until it's time to put it outside. But if not, that's cool too. So I'm actually putting this right now because I couldn't find a pot. And a lot of my garden stuff is gone. This, that, and the other. And now I'm going to put this in here. So I'm just going to add a little dirt. And gonna put that in there. Here, let's get you guys closer. So there you go. I'm going to add that dirt, and as you see, I'm gonna put a little more dirt so I can raise up a little bit more and cover it at the same time. Not gonna cover it too deep. I just want the roots to grow until, for another month or so. May have to take it out of this as far as how fast it's been growing, and probably need some more fresh water, but I'm gonna just pour this in there since that was the water it was growing in. And then I'll probably put a little bit more water and put it by the windowsill, guys. So looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. And also we're thinking about getting a hydroponics system. So, this will work right along with that. There you have it. All right, guys. Greg Reese back with the gardening. Now, I think what I'm going to do, instead of taking it back upstairs, I'm going to sit it right here so there's no air. Well, a little air in there. It's going to be cold for me. But may leave a little air in here throughout the day and let it get some sunlight. And at night, I will shut it down. And it depends on how it grows. Maybe I'll take it back upstairs. All right, guys, here we go. Peace. Greg Reese.